Today, all eyes on Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman as she prepares to present the Union budget for the fiscal year 2025-26. This will mark a historic milestone, her 8th consecutive budget presentation, a record that highlights her enduring leadership. But did you know the history of India's budget speeches is filled with fascinating contrast? For instance, Nirmala Sitharaman holds the record for delivering the longest budget speeches in India's history. On February 1, 2020, her speech lasted a staggering 2 hours and 40 minutes, although she had to cut it short with 2 pages still remaining. On the flip side, we also have the record for the shortest budget speech. In 1977, Finance Minister Hirubhai Patel delivered an interim budget speech that was just 800 words long, a far cry from today's lengthy addresses. Today, Nirmala Sitharaman will present the second budget of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's third term. And anticipation is at all-time high. The budget session of Parliament began with President Draupadi Murmu addressing both houses, marking the official start of the proceedings. This budget will be presented during the first phase of the session, which runs from January 31 to February 13. The second phase will start on March 10 and continue until April 4, giving lawmakers a lot time to discuss over the coming months. Nirmala Sitharaman is known for delivering some of the most memorable budget speeches in recent history. For instance, the 2024 interim budget was the shortest of her tenure, lasting just 60 minutes. In contrast, she has also given speeches that have shaped the course of India's economy, touching on everything from tax reforms to employment. As we await today's budget announcement, it's clear that India's budget presentations have evolved significantly over the years, each one shaping the nation's future. Will Nirmala Sitharaman continue the trend of balancing details and brevity? Stay tuned as we watch history unfold today.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.